In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Figma to Wix Studio plugin. Start by opening the Figma file you want to transfer. Press Ctrl-K to open the Actions panel, switch to the Plugins tab and search for Figma to Wix Studio. Click to run the plugin, and if you are prompted to sign in, log into your Wix account so the plugin can connect your design to your site. Before you export anything, do a quick prep pass on your Figma design. Make sure the frames you plan to import are at least 1010 pixels wide. 1280 pixels is ideal for a standard desktop layout. You can check a frame's width by selecting it and looking at the W value in Figma's right-hand panel. Also, organize your layout into clear, well-named sections or frames. Good naming helps you find the right pieces in the plugin and later in Wix Studio. And clean structure reduces surprises when things are imported. With that ready, look at the plugin panel. Start by exporting your styles. Choose Export Styles to send your color tokens and typography settings. This step is what maintains brand consistency once you are in Wix Studio, so your headings, body text, and color usage stay aligned with your design system. Next, select the specific frames or sections you want to bring over. Only choose what you plan to use on your site right now. When your selection looks good, click Export. Switch to your site in the Wix Studio editor. In the top bar, open the Site menu, go to Tools, and choose Import from Figma. You'll see the styles you just exported. Click Apply Style to Site. This maps the Figma colors and type styles into your site's design tokens so everything matches when content arrives. Return to Figma and in the plugin, export your frames. Select the frame you want, confirm it's the right one in the panel, and click Export. This sends that section's layout and content. Head back to the Wix Studio editor. Again, open Site in the top bar, go to Tools, and select Import from Figma. You should now see the exported frame available. Click Add to Site to place it on your page. From there, you can position it, connect it to data, or refine spacing as needed. Knowing the styling is already consistent. That's the full flow from Figma to Wix Studio. Thanks for watching.